Hello, my name is Agustin de la Guardia, and today we will be playing Alien Syndrome. This is an old game that was made in 1987 by Sega, and let's just start already. I'm using an emulator, so I gotta insert a core in here, and I got to press player 1, I guess, and pick a character. I'll pick the male character. So let's see how this goes.
Round one.
There is 6 rounds apparently. So basically this is a classic shooter type game. Um, the main point of this game is to find survivors and save them. Right there I just picked one up. Ooh, and you have 3 lives, so you gotta shoot them to make sure that they don't kill you. Shoot them before they kill you. Symbol mechanic. I feel like I've seen this concept in games a lot before, but for the life of me, I can't think of any perfect examples for this type of game. Ooh, I'm down to my last life. I'm really bad in these types of games. It seems like these guys either are pre-programmed with a certain path, or there's some that go directly for you. So the whole point is that you save as many people as you can, and then you eventually can go to this exit where you'll fight a boss, and then you'll finish the stage and you go on to the next level. That one's trying to shoot me. Looks like that one's trying to follow me. Let's see. So, fun fact, apparently when this game came out, it only got a 2 out of 5 in ratings. So, yeah, I just thought it was a cool game to try out. It looks pretty fun. Let's see how far I can get.
Hurry up.
Ooh, I'm tying. I did not know that about this game. Oop, and I die. Game over. Oh gosh. Well, that was me playing this game, and I'm gonna try one more time. So let's try this one more time. This is also a game that can you have the choice of playing not only 1 but 2 people. So I can imagine playing this in back in the day in an arcade game and it being tons of fun. Okay. Ooh, I do not know what I got. Ooh, apparently when you hit those things, you get a power up. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll have to remember that. Oh. So I think I'm down to my last life. Ooh. Ooh, that robot seems to be shooting something behind me whenever I fire. That's pretty helpful. So I need to go to the exit. Oh my god, that's the boss? I gotta kill that? That's creepy. I mean, I like the mechanics of this game, but it's so creepy. Oh my god, I lost. Well, I think it's really unique, the art style. Everything about it is just so creepy and awesome. Uh, and that's pretty much all I have to say about this game. I tried it twice and it was a lot of fun. And these guys look like they're playing the game a lot better than I did. They got even farther. So it was a pleasure playing this game. I hope you all have a chance to try this because it's actually a lot of fun. So I will see you guys next time.